What's your name?
My name is Stop.
What's your name?
My name is Stop, and my last name is Go.
Where you from?
I'm from I don't know, Chuk.
Who's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer, Bob Marley. I want to be like him.
Why don't
Every time people see me, they say I look like Bob Marley.
you don't have dreadlocks and you look nothing like Bob Marley?
Well, that's what you think, but other people, I don't say you. Like this guy, I look like Bob Marley, right, my friend? Yeah, he said so.
You think he looks like Bob Marley?
Yeah, see, he nothing. He like. So, if you look at Bob Marley picture right here, me and Bob Marley almost look alike. Even if I take this off, me and Bob Marley look alike. See, Bob
I don't
Marley.
see it.
It's okay, you just jealous.
You don't even have dreadlocks.
No, cause I just cut my hair just last night. My cousin cut it.
Compare.
But don't worry.
Before, after. How come
No.
you're not dead?
Cause I don't have to die like this guy. This guy. Just last night I smoked marijuana. Even this morning I smoked one joint. You can even have my friend here. Remember those 2 joints we smoked this morning?
Yeah.
See? Very good.
Are you stoned right now?
Why you think I'm using this? I don't want you to see my eyes. You want to see?
Let me see.
See, I'm very stoned. If I take off, no good.
And what do you guys need battery for?
Oh, this one is for my friend Tito. It's the vibrator, so that's why he use it.
For the rabbit?
I'm not sure, I never see, but he always tell me.
Does it feel good?
Don't bother him, he's trying to check. He's trying to check if he's an eye. That's that. Chamorro guy. I want to rob him, but he say he caught the cops.
Where you from, Chamorro?
Yeah.
You a pussy?
No.
Because you called the cops
So,
and you didn't give up your laptop.
cause it's expensive too.
Why you nine? You don't like?
Yes.
That's my cousin.
Why
My
I like?
cousin son.
How
No.
come Chuukese music is playing on it then?
Cause that's my cousin. Cousin's laptop. This guy's very stinner, Chamorro.
Yeah, Chamorros are thieves.
They like to say me Chuukese, very stinner. No, I don't steal.
Lie, bro.
How come Chuukese music is playing on it?
Oh, it's my friend's MySpace, dude.
You're friends with Chuukese?
Only some.
But you hate Chuukese.
No, only some, dude.
You're racist?
No.
He says he's not racist against Chuukese. He has friends, Chuukese.
Oh, so he only races on the laptop.
Yeah. He said he only hates some.
So my friend, when are you gonna put battery in your
Rabbit.
Tito? You see that? Very decorative. Me, I don't use that. Me, straight. That guy is crooked.
End of interview.